How to fix microphone not working on Nintendo Switch. So if you want to fix microphone not working on your Nintendo Switch, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Nintendo or just take your Nintendo Switch and check whether your user at the bottom of the game chat screen has the green border when you speak. What does the green border mean? It means that the microphone is picking up your voice properly, so it should not be an issue with that microphone. The next thing you need to make sure is there is nothing blocking or obstructing the microphone. If you are using a separate microphone or headset plugged in via USB-C port on the console or a USB port on the dock, try unplugging the device and plugging it again in a different port. If you are using a separate microphone or headset plugged in via the audio jack on either the console or the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller, try unplugging the device and plugging it in again. If you're playing the TV mode, try sitting closer to the system to see if the microphone picks up sound better. Next you can do is check your audio input options in system settings. You can go with the system settings from the home menu and scroll down to audio, then to the audio input section. Make sure the correct microphone is selected as the input microphone. Turn off microphone noise suppression so more sound will be picked up by the microphone and sent to other players. This can be turned back on after troubleshooting. If needed, you can increase the microphone input volume. Select Test Microphone to test the audio input you have selected. Or the last thing you can do is restart the Nintendo Switch 2 console. To restart, you can press and hold the power button for at least 3 seconds and then select Power Options and then click on Restart. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then here you can just simply click on Start a Service Request and request Nintendo that you're facing this and this problem and to fix it as soon as possible. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.